Anark offers a game-changing solution for work packages and work instructions that can revolutionize your manufacturing processes and drive significant KPI gains and return on investment, ROI. This example demonstrates the value of utilizing digital 3D product data to communicate complex assembly and welding processes in an accessible, easy-to-use interface. Just like a YouTube playlist, operators can watch individual sequences and explore process details individually or sequentially by enabling the autoplay feature. And just like YouTube or any other content available on the World Wide Web, all this interactive 3D content is available on any device, desktop or mobile, on any platform. Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, etc., using just a web browser. Libraries of interactive work instructions like these may be accessed by operators and technicians as pre-work review materials prior to doing a job, or may be utilized on the shop floor during manufacturing operations.